And clean. Did you wash your hand? What kind of squishy? It's twins again? Okay. Hindi yata ako matutulog neto at nakakape. Yan, ang paborito ko lang sa McDonald's is iced coffee. Pero pag Starbucks coffee ang binili ko, tulog ako. What is that song? Don't buy that big, ano yan? That's not the squishy one. Or this squishy is not cute. Maybe they have a cute one.
Oh, Mom, you can scan this thingy on the code